Hola, hola, hola. How are you doing today? My name is Shanda. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I was feeling convicted to come online today for multiple reasons. Number one, I wanted to challenge my nervous system and my sense of safety because honestly, uploading to YouTube is not something that should scare me. And then number two, I also wanted to mention how the sense of safety is different for everybody, especially when you're approaching different areas of your life, be it academically, professionally, romantically, and so most specifically, got a lot of the leads going on today. I wanted to mention a conversation I was having with my partner, and we were talking about asking for help or making it easier to ask for help and the level of frustration when you have to ask for help over and over and why that even exists. So for him, he gets a little frustrated that I am already like escalated to a number 10 or 11 when I have to ask for the third time around. So my partner, is very, very patient, and he had the foresight to even ask while we were having this conversation. He says, are you triggered even right now by having this conversation about asking for help and to the point of it becoming nagging? So I let him know, yes, I'm already at 11. I'm very triggered having the conversation about why I have to ask for help over and over and why I have like a meltdown by the third time I'm asking. And he made the connection that the reason why I'm having a meltdown third time I'm asking him for help or for something I need or is because I actually am already at a 5, 6, 7 on the trigger scale when I ask the first time. When I'm asking for help the first and the second time, I'm already afraid. My inner child has already been told when she was little that she is not allowed to ask for help and she has to figure things out on her own. So I explained to him that when I'm reaching out for help, that first time and that second time, if I specifically say, this is what I need from you in order to regulate, or this is what I need from you in order to have my day go smoother, or this is what I need from you just to coexist, that first and second time, I am already having a panic attack. I am already fearing abandonment and rejection. So yesterday, it was like I watched the light bulb go off in his head when he realized that for me, I am already scared at number one, and now I could see the mental shift in his brain, realize that his active listening needs to take priority when it comes to my needs and when I go to ask for it, because his biggest goal since he's met me is to create a place of safety and openness where we can talk to each other and not have conflict. But he was not understanding why we got to that point of conflict, is because it's a lot urgent for me quicker than it was. Because usually by the time I'm even asking for help, I probably should have already asked like 5 days sooner. So it's like this domino effect, and that's why I'm in this huge practicing of asking myself what I need on an hourly basis. Like, what do I really need above and beyond Maslow's hierarchy needs? Basic food, water, and obviously those are very, very important needs that I'm still reminding myself, like, breathe, Shanda, breathe. But also, what do I need within the hour, so that way I'm not taking out frustrations on other people just because I'm neglecting myself, right? So that's where I had to stop faking it till I make it. I love how the universe has taken some of my prior videos and totally brought it back, and here we are like a year later discussing some of these things and how, yeah, they're beneficial, but they're also an obstacle. And if you're interested in any of those topics, definitely go back. I have some free PDFs, and I hope to have some more as my health improves. But as you can see, we're all a work in progress, just like this channel. And I hope I didn't overshare. I hope that share was appropriate. I hope that people can learn from that experience. I hope that men and women can learn to cohabitate and maybe find a place to just compromise and meet each other where they're at, because it's all over the place anymore. It's 2025 and things are just wild. He and I talk about that all the time, like with artificial intelligence. It's amazing, but it's also wild. Anyway, I could go on forever. I do miss my channel. I cannot wait to share more of what's coming. I'm reinstalled GTA 5 today. Super excited. I'm gonna stop rambling. Anyways, please go out there, spread love like confetti, do good stuff and things. Take time to listen to your partner. We'll talk to you later, okay? Bye.